Hi everyone, my name is Isabella Denipoti. Today I am going to be performing a teaching demo on the order of operations. I took all of my examples from the Houghton and Mifflin math book for fourth grade. Um, so today we're going to start off with the vocab that you need to know. So first off, you need to know what an expression is. It is a number or group of numbers with operation symbols, and then order of operations. So first you have to do the parentheses and then exponents, which we are not going to touch on. Oh, oops. Sorry, guys. After that, you do multiplication or division, and then finally addition or subtraction. So we're going to go more into that into this next slide right here. So it just shows you the the order of what PEMDAS is. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So first you would do whatever um, operation is in parentheses. And then after that, again, we're not touching on exponents today, but then would come exponents. And then you would do from left to right multiplication or division. And then after multiplication or division, you would do subtraction or addition. So I'm going to show you the example that was from the book in this next slide. It's like a step-by-step problem. So the sea turtle patrol in Florida helps protect green turtle nests. One turtle made three nests. Three other turtles each made four nests. Then one nest was destroyed in a storm. How many are left? So the expression you would use for this problem is 3 plus 3 times 4 in parentheses minus 1. And it would calculate to how many nests are left. So we're going to go over here and do that problem. You can see how it's brought down. So first you would do whatever operation is in the parentheses. So in this case, 3 times 4. So you do that first, and then you bring it all the way down. And then you go to the sides and bring down the other two numbers that are left. So 3 plus 12 minus 1 would be the new equation, or new expression. And then you would go from left to right, see if there's any more division or multiplication, which there is not. So you would finally do addition and subtraction from left to right. So you'd first do 3 plus 12, which equals 15. So bring it down over here, and then bring down the minus 1 next to the 15, and then you'd get 15 minus 1, which equals 14. So your solution would be 14 nests were left. So now we're gonna take some time to do these three examples together. Let me pull up my annotations and we'll get started. Now, bear in mind, my annotating skills on here are not the best, so I'm sorry if it's a little illegible, but I will be talking through it as well. So first we have 12 times 4 minus 2, but the 4 minus 2 are in parentheses. So you will do 12 times 4 minus 2. Sorry, I like to rewrite problems. Helps me think. So you do the 4 minus 2 first. So you'd bring that down, and that would equal 2. And then, so now we're done with parentheses. So we bring down the 12 and the multiplication sign. Ooh, a little crazy there. And your new expression would be 12 times 2, which would then equal 24. And that is your solution. Now for the next one, we don't have any parentheses. However, you still need to do multiplication or division first. So ignore the 14 for now. The 14 and the addition sign, ignore it. We then see 10 divided by 2 times 3. So division comes first, so we'll do that one first. So you do 10 divided by 2, and that would be 5. And then you bring down the 14 and the addition sign. And then you also bring down the multiplication sign and the 3 on the other side. And then we are not done with multiplication. So again, we ignore the 14 and the addition sign, and we do 5 times 3, which would equal 15. And then now you bring back the 14 and the addition sign, and you have 14 plus 15 to get the solution 29. All right, now we have parentheses yet again. So even though there's division here, we ignore that and we ignore the addition and we go straight to the parentheses. And in the parentheses, it says 8 times 2. So that equals 16. And now you bring down all the other numbers on both sides. Ooh, this will be a little small here. Sorry, guys. And minus 4 on this side. All right, so since we're done with the parentheses, we move on to the division or multiplication. So the division comes first from left to right. So 15 divided by 3, or divided by 5 would equal 3. And then you bring down all the other numbers. And then you go from left to right, solving the equation. So 3 plus 16 is 19. Then minus 4 comes down, and your solution, the new expression to get the solution is 19 minus 4, which would equal 15. And there you have it. Let's see. These are the explained step-by-step solutions to these example problems. Okay, so they're all drawings. All right, perfect. Now that you know how to do the order of operations, I hope that your math is easier and you guys now have a better understanding. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.